Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is second part of Weekend Dev Challenge 38. So in this part, we'll be seeing exclusive, club registration portal project. So you have to maintain, open a portal where the users can register exclusively for the club. So let's see the, project structure. We have 5 files. One is entities, which has member.java, only one file here. Then we have the DTOs, a data transfer object, so which basically it is member DTO.java, which represents the incoming data from the user. So first we have to check the logic behind it. So then we have to validate the basically the user whatever input your user has given. Then you have the repositories, member repository.java followed by service and then controller. Let's start. So the first thing is member.java. So in this member.java, first we have the ID. We have to generate the ID. So first, so let's directly move to the constructor. So basically in that ID whatever happened is we have the long ID, string name, string email, and then boolean is related is false. Now we have the constructor. One is public constructor and then one is parameterized constructor saying with the inputs name and email whatever we generated from here. All right, now we have getters and setters. For ID is only get ID, we can't set ID, it will already be set. Then we have the name, get name and set name, then email, and then is related if it is related or not. Then we have member DTO.java. So in this member DTO, basically first, we have the message saying name cannot be empty. So this is basically like I told for validation. So if the user has not entered the name properly, then we have to say name cannot be empty. And then if the name is less than 3 words, then we have to say name must be at least 3 characters. And then similarly for the email, we say email is required. And then if the format is not proper, we say invalid email format. After that, we have get name and set name, get email and set email respectively after the updations. Now we have member repository.java. So in this, we have the query method that is find by email. So if we enter the email, we get the user registration, and then we have one more query, one more function that is for find all active members. Then we have member service.java. So this is the main logic. So here we have the first is the constructor injection. That is basically we are linking with the repository member repository.java with the member service. Then we have the public member register member. So first function is for registration of new member. So input is basically we have to find by email if the user is already present. If the user is already present, then we say no, email already registered. If it is not there, then we have to take the get name. We have to take the name and email, and then we have to do DTO, that is basically verifying the details, and then we save the member. Then we have to delete concept. So basically for deleting it, we have the delete member with the input ID. So basically we have the we have to first find by ID. If the user is existing, if the user is present, then we say then we delete it. If the user is not present, then we say member not found. After that, we have function for get all active members. So using a method called find all active members. Then we member controller.java. So this is basically the manager. So here we have the mapping. That is first is the basically the whatever the member registration mapping. So then after that we have the first basically checking the error. After that we have the member registration followed by delete mapping, and then we have the get mapping for get all active users. So here if it has errors, then we say we get error field and then get default messages, and then we print the default message whatever the error is. If the validation passes, so then we have to proceed to the registration of the new user. So in that case we use try and catch. If the member is there, if we can register the member, then it is well and good. If it is not, then we catch the whatever the exception is there, then we throw the exception. Same goes for delete mapping and the get mapping as well. So let me run the program now. So the application has started. So let me enter my name and then email address, register member. So first it validates the details. So once the details are validated, then it says a registered member. So I am an active member of this club now. So if I want to remove myself, then I click on remove, delete. So yeah, I'm gone. Now let me submit the program. So test case if passed, and that's it for this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you.